Happy morning, my dear children. Welcome to Elga online class. Today we have to cover Unit 8, Day 14. All the time while you are attending the online class, make sure that you have student reader, workbook, pencil, eraser along with you. Shall we go to the class, my dear children? Yes. My dear cuties, we have learned how to write spellings by breaking the word into sounds, right? Let us revise once again. Okay, I'll say the word, you listen carefully. Gun, gun, gun. What is the beginning sound of that word? Listen. Gun, gun. Yes, g, g, right? Yes. Next, what is the middle sound of that word? Think about that. Gun, gun. Yes, ah, ah, ah. Next, what is the end sound, my dear cuties? Gun, gun. Yes, in. What is the end sound? In. So, what is that word, my dear children? Yes, gun, gun. In gun, gun. Do you remember? Yes, let us revise once again. Let us see some examples. Cut, cut, cut. What is the beginning sound? Yes, k. Yes, k. What is the middle sound of that word? Cut, cut. At. Yes, ah. Next, what is the end sound of that word? Cut, cut. Yes, t. Yes, t. So, what is the word? Cut, cut. One more example. Shall I say the word? Listen carefully. Rub, rub, rub. What is the beginning sound? Rub. Rub. Yes. What is that? Next, middle sound. Rub. Rub. Yes. Yes. What is the end sound of that word? Rub. Rub. Yes. Boo. Boo. Yes. Rub. Right? So this slide we have to break the words using segmenting. Do you understand, my dear children? Great, Putima. So are you clear how we have to break the words using segmenting? Yes. Now shall we write some dictation words from this phonics session? Are you ready? Yes. Now you will take your notebook and also rule pencil, open the phonics section page. I will give you 5 seconds time. You have to open that. Start counting. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. Yes, I hope you are all open your notebooks. Are you ready? Yes, now I say the word nut, nut, nut. Yes, start counting. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Yes. Next, gut, gut, gut. Can you guess the word? Write neatly. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Yes. Next, bun, bun, bun. Yes. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Yes. Next, run, run, run. Start counting. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Yes. Next, hut. 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 Yes. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Yes. Sub. 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 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Next, cub. 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 Yes. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Yes. Great, my dear children. Let us check out your answers. Nut, gut, bun, run, hut, sub, cub. If you make a mistake, you rub and write it 3 times. Okay. Great, my dear children. I hope you are all finished. Next, we will move to the whole words section. We have to write some dictation of whole words. Okay, what we have to done. We will write some spellings without anybody's help. Okay, I'll show you a word. Okay, and say it. You have to write it down in your notebook. Okay, take your whole words page from your notebook. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Yes. See that, my dear children? Many, many, many. You will write neatly. Start counting. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yes. Write neatly. Next. Goes, goes. Goes, goes. Start counting. 3, 2, 1 and 0. Write neatly, my dear children. Next, 2, 2, 2. Start counting. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Hour, hour. I start counting. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Yes, let us see the next word. Look, look, look. Yes, start counting. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Yes, write neatly, my dear children. Next word. If, if, if. Yes, start counting. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Write neatly, Kutima. Next, saw, saw, saw. Yes. Start counting. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Yes. Next word. Some, some, some. Yes. Start counting. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Yes, I hope you are all finished. Next, from, from, from. Yes, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Yes, next, she, she, she. Start counting. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Yes, next. There, there, there. Yes. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Next, till, till, till. Start counting. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Yes. Next, also, also, also. Yes. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Are you writing, my dear kids? Write neatly. Next, how, how, how. Yes. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Next, see the word same, same, same. Yes. Write neatly, Kutima. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Yes. Next, has, has, has. Start counting. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Yes. See that last word? We. Yes. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Yes. My dear children, now you have to check out your answers. Goes, to, our, look, if, saw, some, from, see, there, tell, also, how, same, has, same, has, we. Yes. Check out your answers, my dear children. Write neatly. If you make a mistake means you will write 3 times. Okay? Yes. Great, my dear children. Let us move to the reading and listening comprehension session. Today you are going to read the story independently from your SR book. You will open your SR book, SR 12, page number 76, different but same. That story. I will give you 5 seconds time. You have to open your book. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Yes. Great, Kutima. You also read along with me. Different but same. Author Kamal Ramachandani. Illustrations Giti Benha. See the first page. Keep your finger or pencil. Okay. I will come home from school. I tell my mother what I learned. We learned about the tribal people. They live in the forest. Let us see the next page. We live in the city. They eat fruits and berries. We eat dal and rice. We wear cotton and woolen cloths. Yes. Open the next page, my dear kids. They wear cloths made from leaves. They live in huts made of straw. We live in houses made of bricks. We are also different yet same. Next page. We all live in India. We are all Indians, right? Yes. See the vocabulary words from the story, kids. Tribal. Leaves, leaves, bricks, bricks, woolen, woolen, straw, straw, city. Yes. From this story, shall I ask some questions, my dear children? Yes. Where do tribal people wear? Yes, they wear clothes made from leaves, right? What do tribal people eat? They eat fruits and berries, right? Where do tribal people live? Great Kutima, they live in the forest. My dear children, where do you live in? Yes, we live in village, then city, like that, right? What do you eat? Great Kutima. Yes, after you have to read this story in your home, you have to retell about this story. What you learnt from this story, you have to think of an event that happened in the story, different but same. Okay, after that you have to retell this story on your own words. You have to go with your mom or sisters, you have to tell about this story with your own words. Okay, yes. Great, my dear children. Now shall we do one worksheet from this? You have to open your worksheet number 24, page number 103, question number 1. I will give you 5 seconds time. You have to open that. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Yes. We read that story 1, right? See this. Number the pictures in the correct sequence. See. You have to see this, my dear children. Yes. They studied in a platform here. They studied in the World War, right? See that. Float school. These are all the about story like that. We have to put a correct order, correct sequence. What is meaning by sequence? Yes. Put the things in correct order, right? Yes. So which one is the first one? Yes, we read that story. Do you remember that? Yes. We saw a floating school is the first one, right? Yes, which is the number 1? This one. Number 2? Yes, they studied in a under the bridge, right? Saw a school in under the bridge. This is the second one. Which is the third one? Yes. See this. This is a train school, right? Yes. Train school. Which one? This one, what is that? We saw many pictures today, right? This one is the first. Do you understand, my dear children? Yes, this is the first one. This one, number 2. What is this? Train school. Then number 3. What is that number 3? Floating school. Number 4. This is a under the bridge. This is a number 4, right? So, see this, my dear children. You have to correct the numbers. Correct the sequence from this, okay? Great, Kutima. Let us move to the next one. So, are you clear from this story, my dear children? Yes, let us move to the grammar section. From this grammar section, I will do some activity. You listen carefully. I will say an action word and an adverb, okay? Now you are going to do the actions, that one, okay? Yes. From this, you have to do in your home happily, okay? Shall I say now? Yes. Dance happily. Dance happily. Next. Work easily. You have to do the action, okay? Work easily. Next. Sing loudly. Sing loudly. Next. Eat slowly. Eat slowly. You have to do these actions from your home, okay? Next, walk fast. Walk fast. Next one, jump quickly. Jump quickly. Next, dance sadly. Dance sadly, right? These actions you have to do in your home, okay? Yes, just you have to play like that. Now let us see, we did some action, right? With adverbs, right? See that? Fill in the blanks with the correct word from the box. First of all, we have to read this slowly, loudly, fast, quickly, easily, happily, sadly, right? See the picture and we have to fill in the blanks, correct word, right? The boy was crying. See this, how? Sadly. So you have to write here. Next, the boy is dancing. Yes, which word is correct? Happily. The boy can write how he was feel. Yes, easily. Next, the baby can walk. Yes, slowly, right? Yes, let us see the answers, my dear children. The boy was crying loudly. The boy is dancing easily. The boy can write quickly. The boy can walk slowly. Yes. Some words are correct, right? Yes. Now shall we do one worksheet from this session? Yes, you have to open your worksheet number 24, question number 2, page number 103. I will give you 5 seconds time. You have to open that. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Yes. See this? Fill in the blanks with the correct word from the box. The snail moved dash. See the picture? Then you have to use this adverbs. You have to complete this blank. Okay? Yes. Slowly, easily are all the correct one. Next, the frog hopped dash. Yes. What do you have to think about? Yes. Quickly, fast, happily. These are all the correct answers. Okay? The boy shouted dash. See the picture? Yes, loudly, right? Yes. The boy was crying dash. What is the doing? Sadly or loudly are the correct answers. My dear children, I will give you 30 seconds time. You have to complete this. I said already, they are all the correct answers. If your wish, okay? Yes. You have to complete means you have to take the next page 104, worksheet number 25. See this, my dear children. Choose the correct word into the complete each sentence, position words. Look at the picture. This fish is dash the water. Which one is the correct? In or on? Yes, this fish is in the water. Next, the eggs are dash the nest. See the picture, where is the nest? Yes, the eggs are in the nest, right? Yes. Next, the dog is dash the girl. Where is the girl? Where is the dog? Yes, the dog is near the girl. See the picture, where is the cat? Yes, the cat is on the table is the correct answer. We will write it now. Next, match the positions of the objects with the correct picture. Here having some pictures, right? We have to read the sentence, then we have to match the words, okay? The girl is near the table. Where is the table first? Here. Where is the girl? Here. So you have to draw a line A to this girl. Next, the boy is putting the toy into the box. See the picture, which one is the correct one? Here this boy doing this like the boy putting the toy into the box, right? Yes. Next, the boy is sitting on the chair. Where is the picture having? Here. We have to draw a line. Next, the key is in the lock. See that? This one. Yes. My dear kids, I will give you 30 seconds time. You have to check out your answers, my dear children. Yes, I hope you are all finished this. Yes, great, my dear children. Let us move to the writing and speaking expression skill. Today we will talk about different festivals that we celebrate with our families. Okay? Yes, do you know that already, right? What festivals you have to celebrate with your families? From here we have to celebrate a Pongal, Kar festival, then Diwali, Adi festival. Like that Muslims, Ramadan, like, right? For Christians, Christmas, right? So my dear children, just we have to think about this. Will also tell us how many festivals we celebrate in India, okay? You have to think and say, in your home, you have to think and say what festivals we have to celebrate in our India. You have to speak 2 or 3 lines, okay? Use CAF strategy like that. From your home, you have to speak about that festivals 2 or 3 lines in your home independently, okay? Yes, tell about your most favorable festivals, okay, my dear kids? Great, Kuti ma'am. Yes, what we learned from today's class in phonics section, I took a dictation for that. If you make a mistake, you will write 3 times. Then whole words, we have to recap the whole words from last units itself, right? I took a dictation. You have to correct your spellings. Then reading and listening comprehension, we read that story again. After that, we put one worksheet. Then grammar section, we do the action and adverbs. From that, you have to do that in your home independently. Just play a game like that. After that, you have to complete that worksheets. Then writing and speaking expression, you have to speak about your favorite festival or what festival we have to celebrate in India. If you take a Diwali means, you have to speak about that topic 2 or 3 lines. Okay. Bye. In today's homework, you have to practice that. Complete your worksheets and come, okay? Bye. Thank you. Happy learning, my dear children.